Have you started to feel that your energy isn't quite the same as it used to be? That the strength you once had seems a little further away, and even your excitement for life has softened over time? If this sounds familiar, this message is for you. Today I want to show you how simple, natural habits can help a man over 60 regain his vitality, his confidence, and that spark that makes every day feel lighter. We're going to talk about 3 special natural juices. Delicious, easy to prepare, and filled with the nutrients your body needs to feel stronger from the inside out. I'm Dr. Rebecca Hayes, a physician specializing in men's health and clinical nutrition. For over 20 years, I've been helping men rediscover balance, energy, and self-trust through science, care, and small daily actions that make a big difference. Before we begin, remember to stay with me until the end. I'll guide you through practical tips and real examples from men who, just like you, decided to take better care of themselves and discovered that feeling good again is absolutely possible. Let's start this journey toward more energy and vitality with science, simplicity, and self-care. With time, the male body goes through quiet but powerful transformations. Around 60, hormones such as testosterone and vitamin D naturally decrease, muscles begin to lose strength, and blood flow slows down. It's not sudden. It happens little by little, until one day you notice that walking up the stairs takes more effort, or waking up full of energy feels rare. Many men tell me, "Doctor, I still want to do everything I used to, but my body just doesn't respond the same way." And I always answer, your body hasn't given up. It's asking for support. Imagine an old classic car with an excellent engine. It still runs beautifully, but it needs clean fuel and regular maintenance to keep moving smoothly. That's how the body works after 60. The motor is still strong, but it needs better fuel, nutrients, movement, sunlight, and good rest to continue running at its best rhythm. When this internal fuel is missing, the first thing you feel is fatigue, not only physical but emotional. You might lose enthusiasm, focus, and even confidence. But here's the good news. This process can be reversed. The key lies in what you give your body every day. Food is not just a source of calories, it's information. Every meal tells your body how to function, how to recover, how to age. And among all the nutrients, a few stand out as the foundation for energy, circulation, and vitality. In the next part, we'll uncover what I call the 3 pillars of male energy: vitamins D, E, and C, and how they work together to reactivate your strength from within. Energy doesn't come only from sleep or food. It comes from how well your body transforms what you eat into life, into movement, focus, and emotional balance. And 3 vitamins play a leading role in this orchestra: vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin C. Let's start with vitamin D. Think of it as the switch of masculine energy. Without it, the body struggles to produce hormones that control strength, mood, and motivation. It supports bone and muscle health and improves blood circulation, keeping your heart and vessels in tune. You can get it from sunlight and from foods like eggs, oily fish, and fortified milk. 10 to 15 minutes of gentle morning sun can make a real difference. Now, vitamin E. This one acts like the body's protective shield. It defends your cells from premature aging and keeps blood flowing smoothly through the arteries. It's the oil that prevents your engine from rusting over time. You'll find it in seeds, nuts, olive oil, and avocados. And then, vitamin C, the daily booster of energy. It encourages your body to produce nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes and widens your blood vessels, allowing oxygen to reach every corner, including muscles and the brain. Vitamin C also strengthens your immune system and fights fatigue, giving that bright, alive feeling we all need. When these 3 vitamins are in balance, they perform like an orchestra in perfect harmony, each instrument enhancing the other, creating rhythm, balance and vitality. That's why focusing on them daily is one of the most natural ways to restore strength and motivation. And to make this practical, I'll share with you 3 delicious juices that combine these vitamins in simple, effective ways, so you can fuel your body naturally every single day. Let's begin with the first one, a bright and refreshing blend that awakens the body and mind from the very first sip. Juice 1. Orange, carrot, and ginger. Imagine starting your morning with a glass full of color. Bright orange, a fresh aroma, and a taste that feels alive. That's what the first juice offers. Orange, carrot, and ginger. It's a natural morning shot of strength and vitality. Let's begin with the orange. This simple fruit is rich in vitamin C, one of the body's best allies for energy. It boosts immunity, supports the production of nitric oxide, and helps blood vessels stay flexible, so your circulation works freely and efficiently. When your blood flows better, your heart and brain feel the difference. Then comes the carrot, a quiet but powerful source of vitamin E and beta-carotene, which protect your arteries and muscles from wear. Carrots help delay the natural aging of your cells and keep your blood clean, like oil flowing through a well-kept machine. And finally, ginger, the spark of this recipe. It's a natural stimulant that awakens metabolism, warms the body, and improves circulation. Ginger gives that instant sense of alertness, a soft inner wake-up call to your system. How to prepare it? 2 medium oranges, 1 medium carrot, chopped, a small piece of fresh ginger, and about 200 milliliters of water. Blend everything until smooth. You may strain it if you prefer, but I recommend keeping the pulp. That's where most fibers and nutrients live. Drink it in the morning, before breakfast, or along with it. It's a simple way to tell your body, wake up, it's time to move. One of my patients, Mr. Arthur, a 66-year-old retiree, used to feel heavy and sluggish every morning. After 3 weeks of starting his day with this juice, he told me he had begun walking again with his wife around the neighborhood. He said, smiling, "Doctor, I feel light again." That's what happens when you nourish your body properly. It responds with gratitude. Each glass becomes an act of care, a reminder that your body still wants to thrive. Now, let's move to the next recipe, a refreshing green juice that brings strength and better circulation from the inside out. Juice 2. Spinach, pineapple, and lemon. The second recipe is what I like to call the green engine of circulation. It's simple, refreshing, and deeply nourishing, made with spinach, pineapple, and lemon. Together, these 3 ingredients create a blend that supports the heart, stimulates blood flow, and fills your body with light, clean energy. Let's begin with the spinach. This green leaf is a natural source of nitrates, substances your body converts into nitric oxide, the same compound that helps your blood vessels relax and open up. When this happens, circulation improves, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, heart, and brain. Spinach is also rich in vitamin E, which slows the aging of your blood vessels and protects your cells from damage. Next, the pineapple, sweet, juicy, and full of vitamin C. It brings enzymes that support digestion, reduce swelling, and help eliminate excess fluids that make the body feel heavy. It gives the juice a tropical taste that also calms the stomach and refreshes your mind. And then comes the lemon, a touch of acidity that enhances the flavor and strengthens the juice's antioxidant power. Lemon also helps your body absorb the iron from spinach and gives a quick boost of freshness and focus. How to prepare it? A handful of fresh spinach leaves, 2 slices of pineapple, the juice of half a lemon, and about 200 milliliters of water or plant-based milk. Blend until smooth and drink it right away to preserve the nutrients. This juice is ideal for midday or early afternoon, especially if you spend long hours sitting or feel your legs heavy. One of my patients, Mr. Victor, 61 years old, used to work all day at his desk and complained about tired legs. After alternating this green juice with the first one for a month, he told me his legs felt lighter and his mornings started with more motivation. That's your circulation thanking you for the care. Now, we'll move to the third and most powerful recipe, a colorful mix that fights aging, renews your energy, and brings back that inner brightness that time often tries to steal. Juice. 3. Red fruits and sunflower seeds. The third juice is the most vibrant of all, a rich mix of red fruits and sunflower seeds. It's a true antioxidant explosion, a drink that supports regeneration, sharpens the mind, and protects the heart. Let's begin with the red fruits: strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, or cherries. They are loaded with flavonoids, natural compounds that protect your blood vessels from aging and improve microcirculation. That is, the fine network that brings oxygen to every cell. This means better focus, smoother skin, and a stronger heart. Red fruits also help balance blood sugar, keeping your energy stable throughout the day. Then we add sunflower seeds, a small but mighty source of vitamin E, one of the most powerful defenders of the body's cells. Vitamin E renews tissues, supports testosterone balance, and improves the elasticity of your veins and arteries. When combined with red fruits, it forms a duo that nourishes both your vitality and your confidence. How to prepare it? 1 cup of fresh or frozen red fruits, 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds, and 200 milliliters of water or fortified plant-based milk. Blend until creamy and drink it right away. It's delicious as an afternoon snack or after a light walk. This combination helps reduce fatigue, strengthen immunity, and assist your body in recovering from daily effort. One of my long-term patients, Mr. Daniel, 59 years old, began alternating the 3 juices throughout his week. He told me, smiling, that he now feels as strong as he did in his 40s, not because of luck or magic, but because of constancy and self-care. That's the secret. There are no miracles, only daily choices that build a healthier rhythm from the inside out. Now that you know the 3 natural juices, let's go a little further. I'll share 4 simple habits that multiply their effects and help your body stay active, balanced, and full of life, no matter how many candles are on your birthday cake. Now that you've learned the 3 natural juices, let's talk about the small daily actions that make their effects even stronger. Because real vitality doesn't come from one change. It's built through constancy and care. Here are 4 simple habits that can transform how your body feels and works. Habit 1. Enjoy the sun with care. The sun is nature's purest source of vitamin D, the same vitamin that boosts your strength, mood, and hormonal balance. Without it, energy levels drop, and even your immune system weakens. Just 10 to 15 minutes of morning sunlight can wake up your body and mind. Expose your arms and legs, breathe deeply, and let the light in. You don't need to stay long. The secret is consistency. One of my patients, Mr. Alberto, 68 years old, started walking outside every morning after breakfast. After 2 weeks, he told me he felt calmer, slept better, and woke up lighter. Sometimes, a single ray of sunlight is enough to reignite what the body was missing. Habit 2. Move every day. Movement is life. Your body is made to move, to stretch, to walk, to circulate energy through every muscle. Exercise keeps the heart strong, improves blood flow, and stimulates natural hormone production. It doesn't have to be heavy gym workouts. Gentle activities like walking, swimming, or cycling for just 30 minutes a day can make a remarkable difference. A still body is like an engine left off for too long. It loses rhythm and power. Once you start moving again, the whole system wakes up. Habit 3. Eat with balance. The juices you've learned are powerful, but they work best when paired with healthy eating. Think of them as the spark, and your daily meals as the foundation that keeps the fire burning. Choose lean proteins like fish and chicken, colorful vegetables, fresh fruits, and nuts such as almonds or walnuts. Avoid ultra-processed foods, too much salt, sugar, and alcohol. One of my patients, Mr. Roberto, 65 years old, decided to stop drinking soda and reduced fried foods. In 1 month, he told me he slept better and woke up feeling younger. Small choices, repeated daily, bring lasting transformation. Habit 4. Rest and manage stress. Rest is when the body repairs itself. During deep sleep, your system restores hormones and renews cells. That's why sleeping 6 to 8 hours in a calm, dark room is essential. Chronic stress, on the other hand, steals energy. When you live tense, your body releases too much cortisol, a hormone that drains motivation and focus. Simple practices like deep breathing, gentle meditation, or listening to soft music before bed can make all the difference. When you combine these 4 habits, sunlight, movement, balanced food, and quality rest, you create a solid foundation for vitality. They are the 4 pillars that sustain a strong, stable, and vibrant body, even after 60. Let's take a moment to look back on everything we've learned together. You now know 3 powerful natural juices that, combined, form a complete daily care plan for the male body. The first, orange, carrot, and ginger, wakes you up with energy and improves circulation. The second, spinach, pineapple, and lemon, purifies your blood, lightens your body, and nourishes your muscles. And the third, red fruits with sunflower seeds, protects your cells, slows down aging, and keeps your mind sharp. But the real secret lies in the combination: the juices plus the 4 habits: sunlight, movement, balanced nutrition, and good sleep. Together, they create the perfect rhythm for a stronger, more active, and confident body. There's no hidden miracle here, only science, care, and perseverance. Even after 60, your body still has the amazing ability to renew itself and find its natural rhythm again. All it needs is a little help from you. Each glass of juice is a small gesture of self-love. Each walk, each night of restful sleep, is your way of saying thank you to the body that's carried you through life. If this message inspired you, click like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with a friend who also deserves to feel full of energy again. Taking care of yourself is not vanity, it's gratitude, and every new day is another chance to live with lightness, strength, and joy.